Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide. This bike only has 7,200 miles and is offered for $16,999 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is an amazing touring bike from Harley Davidson. It is a one-owner bike. Just traded in on a Gold Wing, decided to upgrade to a Honda. But as you can see, it's in immaculate condition. Has the engine guards with the highway pegs on it. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, a safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. I'm not going to go through all the standard features because if you're looking at a Harley, you probably know what they are, and this one has all of them. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. We're not going to ride it because it is wet outside, but we'll fire it up so you can hear what she sounds like.